Hello friends, welcome to a new video of Python series. In this video, we will talk about operators in Python. That's something we have been waiting for a long time. Also, we will perform different operations in Python. Then let's get started. Hello friends, this is AK and you are watching Stackbounty YouTube channel. Actually, operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. Consider the expression like 3 plus 5. Here, 3 and 5 are called operands and plus is called operator, right? In Python, we have different kind of operators. Arithmetic operators, comparison operators, assignment operators, logical operators, and membership operators. Now let's have a look on all operators one by one. First of all, let me create two variables like x equals 12 and y equals 3. In arithmetic operators, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponent, and float division. In addition, we use plus symbol like x plus y. And I am assigning it into our new z variable like this. Now print z. If I click on the run button, as shown, the result is 15. In subtraction, we use minus sign. If I put here minus, like this. Now click on the run button. As shown, the result is 9. In multiplication, we use asterisk symbol like this. Now, if I click on the run button, as shown, the result is 36. In division, we use slash like this. As shown, the result is 4.0. In modulus, we use percent sign, also called modulo operator, like this. As shown, we are getting 0 as remainder. In exponent, we use asterisk in 2 times, like this. It means 12 to the power 3. As shown, the result is 1728. Now in the float division, we use slash in 2 times, like this. Actually, the float division means dividing two numbers down to the nearest integer. To clarify, I have to change the value of x variable like 13. As shown, the result is 4. It takes the nearest integer. Now let's talk about comparison operator. Let me create two variables like a equals 13 and b equals 5. In comparison operator, we have equal, not equal, less than, greater than, less than or equal, greater than or equal. See, comparison operator are used to comparing the values. It either returns true or false according to the condition. These operators are also known as relational operators. As we know, 13 is greater than 5. Let's print a greater than 5. If I click on the run button, it returns a boolean value. As shown, the result is true. Wait. Now tell me what kind of data type that is. I mean true. Mention the answer in the comment section of this video. Okay, let me define that. As I said earlier, the relational operator either true or false according to the condition. In our case, we use greater than operator and our statement is true. So it returns true. Otherwise, the resulting value will be false, right? Okay, let me do that. Instead of using greater than, we are using less than like this. Let's see what will be the result. As shown, it returns false because 13 is not less than 5, right? As we know, these two values 13 and 5 are not equal to each other. However, we check once. To check, we use equal to sign in 2 times, like this. Definitely, the result will be false as shown on the output. Now, if I put here not equals, actually that is a exclamation mark. See the result. The result is true because all we know that 13 is not equal to 5. Now, if I put greater than or equal to, like this, see the output. It says true because left operand is less than or equal to the right one. Now if I put less than or equals like this, it prints false because our left operand is neither smaller or nor equal to right operand, right? Now let's talk about Python assignment operator. In a simple word, assignment operators are used to assigning values to the variables. For example, here we have assigned 13 and 5 to the a and b variable. Now let me clear the b variable and the print statement. Now we have only a variable. Now if I ask to add the variable a by itself, and the expected result will be 13 plus 13 equals 26. Now what you will do? You simply write a equals a plus 13. Then print a. As shown, the result is 26. Done. But we have a shortcut, that is add and assign operator. Like a plus equals, as shown, the output remains same. Now if I put minus equals, definitely the result will be 0. As shown, the result is 0 because it's subtracted by itself. We have more such example like multiply equals to. If I put here multiply equals to like this, as shown, it becomes 169. There are many more like this in assignment operators. If you search on Google by typing assignment operators, you will get it. These are very simple. You can easily get them. So I am not doing it anymore. Now let's talk about logical operators. The logical operators are used basically in the expression evaluation to make a decision. In these operators, we have and, or, not. Let me create another two variables like a equals 34 and b equals 32. As you can see, 34 is assigned to our a variable and 32 is assigned to our b variable. Now let me create a print statement like print a equals and b greater than a. Now what is this? Actually, if you remember, as I said earlier that here equals and greater than, this sign belongs to relational operators or comparison operators. As you know, these operators compare the values on either sides of them and decide the relation among them. In this case, at first we will comparing between a and b. If they are same, and at last we are comparing between b and a if b is greater than to a. Now what is and? Actually, and is belongs to logical operators. See, inside our print statement, there is two expression we have. First one is a equals b, and the second one is b greater than a. You know, in AND operation, if the both are true, the condition becomes true, and if any of them is false, the ultimate result will be false. In our print statement, as we know, here a is not equals to b because inside the a variable we have 34 and inside the b variable we have 32, and definitely they are not same to each other based on their values. So that is not true. According to the next expression we have, that is b greater than a, that is also false because 32 is not greater than 34. So here our AND operation will return false. Well, let's check. Now if I click on the run button, see, it prints false because two of them is false. Now if I put here greater than and here less than, now according to the first one, that is a greater than b, in this case actually 34 is greater than 32. It means that is true. According to the second one, b less than a, that is also true because 32 is less than 34. Overall two of them is true. Now tell me what will be the output. Definitely the result will be true because AND operation returns true if two of them is true. Now click on the run button. It says true. If I put here equals, now the second one is false. As we know, if one of them is not true, our AND operation will return false. Now if I click on the run button, see the output. It returns false. Overall the thing is, AND operation will return true only when both of them is true. If there any of them is false, then it will return false. Okay, I am sharing a truth table on my screen for your better understanding. You may take it as a screenshot. Now have a look on OR operation. Here, instead of using AND, we use OR. So, let me put OR keyword here. You know, in OR operation, if any one of them is true, then it returns true. OR operation will return false only when both of them is false. From the first one, that is A greater than B. See, only that is. But the second one is not true. Now our OR operation will return true, because one of them is true, that is A is greater than B. If I click on the run button, see the output. It says true. Now let me make them false, like without touching the second one, because that is false. You know, I am putting less than sign in between A and B. Now two of them is false. Our operation will definitely return false. Okay, let's see what will happen. If I click on the run button, see the output. It returns false. You know what? If any of them is true, our OR operation returns true. It will return false only when if both of them is false. Right? Now let's talk about not logical operator. Let me create another variable like x equals true. Here true is a boolean value, okay? And also let me create a print statement. You know, as shown, true is assigned to our x variable. If we use not x, then it will reverse the logical state. It means x is true here. But after that, we say not x. That means false. Now, if I click on the run button, see the output. It returns false because our not operator reversed the whole game. So not operator used to reverse the logical state of anything. Now let's move forward towards the membership operators. You know, Python membership operators are used to check the membership of a variable inside a Python data structure. If the value is present in the data structure, then the resulting value is true. Otherwise, it will return false. There are two membership operators we have. One of them is in and the second one is not in. Now let me create a list here to perform this operation, like nums equals opening square bracket, ending square bracket. As much as I can remember, I shortly described list one of my previous video of this series. If you have no knowledge about list, don't worry, we will discuss list in the upcoming videos of this Python series, okay? See, as I said earlier, lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Now we will put some numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside our list, like this. Now if I want to check 4 is present or not inside our list, to check, we will write a print statement like print 4 in nums. Now here what is in? As I said earlier, in belongs to membership operators. Actually, it is used to check the membership of a value inside a data structure. In our case, if 4 is present in our list, then the resulting value will true. Now tell me, if I click on the run button, it will return true or false. Let me know in the comment section of this video. Definitely it will return true. Okay, click on the run button. As shown, it returns true because 4 is present inside our list. Well, let's take another example. See, 0 is not present in our list. If I use 0 instead of 4, then what will happen? Definitely it will return false. Let's see. If I click on the run button, see the output. It says false because 0 is not in our list. Overall, the thing is, if anything is not present inside our data structure and if you want to check its existence by using in operator, definitely the resulting value will be false. Now let's talk about not in membership operator. Before going to the operation, let me put here not keyword before in. You know, in not in operation, if anything not present in our data structure, the not in operation will return true. See the print statement and have a look at our list. There 0 is not present in our list, so it will return true. Okay, let's check. If I click on the run button, see the output. It says true. Now if I want to check a number like 5 that is present in our list, now if I click on the run button, as shown it returns false because 5 is present in our list. Well, that's all about for today. Like every day, there is an exercise for you that is visible on the screen. After solving it, leave your code in the comment section of this video. Then see you on the next video. Have a good time. Goodbye.